Now let's have an example on a round function with two arguments where d is passed as a positive number. If d is passed as a positive value, it counts off that value right from the decimal point. In order to understand this statement, let us see an example of it. Let us take an example round where the number is given as 123.4561 comma 2, where 123.4561 will be treated as our x value and 2 will be treated as our d, which is nothing but a positive number. So whenever you are passing the second argument as a positive number, what does it states that, or what does a round function will do that? So whatever the value you are passing as the second argument in this function, after decimal point, that many digits will be there in the resultant output, and the remaining excess value, that is in this case it is 61, this will be totally removed off from the number. So if the second argument is given as 2, so after decimal only 2 digits it will be taking into consideration by removing the excess value. So before removing the excess value, what actually it will do, let us see here. So now it is decided that only these part of the value has to be placed, but before generating the final result, what it will do, the excess value which we have to remove from the given number, it will take it to the first digit of that number. In this case it is nothing but our 6. So now it compares the 6 with the given statement, like we already saw in our previous example. It will check whether the 6 is greater than or equal to 5. So obviously 6 is greater than 5, so in this case it is true. So what it will do, so whatever the value that we have passed to that, it will add 1. So where that 1 will be added means, so how many digit positions you are using, to that the 1 will be added, means in this case it will be 0.01 will be added, and then you will be getting the result as 123.46. So how many decimal points you want, that many decimal points it will take into consideration, and 1 will be added to it. Okay, so this is how it works. Let us take one more example, round off 1245.22435 comma 3. So in this case what we are saying, the second argument is 3, means after decimal 3 digits should be there. Okay, and remaining value has to be removed, that is 35 has to be removed. And here also the same logic applies. Whatever the number you want to remove, of that the first digit it will be considering, that is the 3. So it checks the status, the same thing, 3 greater than excuse me, 3 greater than or equal to 5, but in this case it is false. So what it will do, the number what we have taken, or the number what should be the final output, that will be considered, to that a 0 will be added, matlab nothing is added to this, and you will be getting the same result, that is 1245.224, because 3 is less than 5, so nothing is added to that, so you will be getting the output as 1245.224. But if the same number you are taking where the third bit or the fourth bit is different, like let us see an example. Suppose this is 5 and here 3 is there. So 5 is greater than or equal to 5, obviously true. So what it will do, it will take this number, okay, take the number, add to it, as 5 is equal to 5, so 1 to be added to that, So how many digit position it will take? Point. After point, how many it should be? 3. Also out of 3, the first 2 digits will be 0 and the third digit it will be placing as 1. So what will be the output you will be getting here? Let's do it mathematically. Let's take it down and see. Let's see. Now is it clear, I suppose? So after decimal 3 digit position it should have. So 3 digit position 0 0 1. So 5 is equal to 5. So 1 to be added to this. So here you will be getting the output as 1245.225, as 1 is added because 5 is equal to 5. The same thing is happening in this case also. So how many bits we have to add? That is totally depending upon our second argument. Suppose if this is 4, okay, suppose this number is 4. Let us see an example. Like here it is 8. 1245.22458, comma, how many digits you want to place after decimal? 4. Clear? So what's the number you have to take after decimal? You should have 4 digits. 1 2 3 4. So these 4 digits we have to take into picture. So what has to be removed? What is excess in this? Only 8 is excess. So that we need to check over here. 8 greater than or equal to 5. True, right? So what we have to do? Add 1 to its precedence. So where to add this precedence? How many digits it is taking? 4. So after decimal, after decimal, 4 digits, first 3 digits you give it as 0 and the 4th digit you give it as 1, and output you will be getting as, you have to add this, okay. So what the answer you will be getting here? 1245.2246. Got it? So whenever the truncating digits or the truncating value is more than or equal to 5, add 1 to its precedence. This is a simple way of using the round function or understanding the round function. Hope all the concept is clear to you. If you have any doubts, kindly clarify by posting a message on my WhatsApp number. Thank you.